Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to see if someone bought something on your Amazon wish list. This is incredibly useful if you're trying to track which items from your list have been purchased, especially during holidays or special occasions when you've shared your wish list with friends and family. Let's jump right in. First, open your web browser and navigate to Amazon.com. Once you're there, go ahead and log into your account by entering your credentials. After you've signed in, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen where you'll see Account and Lists in the menu bar. Hover your mouse over this option and from the drop-down menu that appears, select Wish List. This will take you to your wish list overview where you can see all the lists you've created. Now that you're viewing your wish lists, you'll want to check the purchase status of items. Click on More Details or look for the small arrow located below your list name. Clicking this will expand the view and show you additional information about the items in your list. This is where you'll be able to see which items have been purchased and which are still available. As you scroll through your list, pay close attention to items that are marked as purchased, 1 gift remaining, or 0 gifts remaining. These labels are clear indicators that someone has bought these items from your wish list. The status helps you understand exactly how many units of each item have been claimed, which is particularly helpful if you had multiple quantities of the same item listed. Here's something important to understand about how Amazon handles purchases from shared wish lists. When someone buys an item from your public or shared wish list, Amazon automatically removes it from the active view or marks it as purchased. This feature is designed specifically to preserve the element of surprise when receiving gifts, ensuring you don't accidentally see what's been bought for you in advance. Now, you might be wondering if you can see who bought what. Unfortunately, for privacy reasons, you cannot see the buyer's identity or the exact purchase date. Amazon keeps this information confidential to maintain privacy for the gift givers and to protect the surprise factor. If you're looking through your list and no purchases are showing up, there are a couple of possible explanations. Either nothing has been bought yet, or your list privacy settings might be hiding purchased items. To fix this, look for an option in your list settings that says Show Purchased Items and enable it if it's available. This will ensure you can see the full picture of what's been purchased from your wish list. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.